Hi guys, I'm Sarah with WTI and I have here with me this beautiful pillowcase cover. This is the Habibi9 pillowcase cover that I would definitely recommend because I think it makes such a good purchase. Not only do I find that the quality is so great. Now this is silky and it's so great. I've noticed that it's made a huge difference for my hair when I go to sleep in the morning. I wake up feeling that my hair has not gotten ruined by the pillowcase or anything like that. And I also like that I also sometimes have allergies, whereas in the morning I wake up and I don't have any allergies on my skin or anything like that caused by, again, a pillowcase cover. So I would definitely recommend this one here. It's been really great to purchase, really good to maintain as well, fast to clean, fast drying as well, and it makes your bedroom looks so pretty because it is a beautiful color, but you can mix it with other colors as well. So if you are looking to find a very good pillowcase with a very good material, I would recommend this one here. I have loved using it, and that's my point of view.